Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply for Jordan Pass online. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. So guys, first of all, what is Jordan Pass? So the government of Jordan has created this initiative to boost tourism by offering prepaid entry to major tourist sites. Okay, so on this website, if you go, and good thing is if you purchase online and before arrival to Jordan, okay, it also waives your entry visa fee. So that's a good thing, right? See, very waiving of tourist entry visa fee if you purchase your pass before arrival to Jordan and stay a minimum of 2 nights, 3 days. Okay, so uh, so if you meet that condition, you're gonna save fee on your visa also. Visa fee also is gonna be waived if you meet that. How does it work? Over 40 attractions are included. So and it's valid for 3 months, starting the date of purchase. Okay, and it automatically expires after 1 month of first time it is scanned. Okay, at first tourist attraction. Select it. Like I'll go through the packages too, and submit the form and get it. And once you reach, you can show it. Okay, included attractions. You can see all the UNESCO sites are labeled UNESCO. Okay. Now let's go to the prices to know the packages. 70, 75, 80, depending upon the some factors, like if you want to go to Petra for 1 day, first one, this one second, this is third. Okay, so I think Petra is the only difference here. So depending upon how many days visit you want for Petra. Okay, and then select to buy. So let's say we are going to buy this one, so we'll select this. You will be granted a free electronic visa to the obtaining the unified ticket. Okay, and so if you do this, you're gonna get like free electronic entry visa also. So basically, this is gonna make your e-visa free. Wow, this is definitely to boost tourism. Okay, so I'm filling sample. You do as per your face. Okay, and because it's gonna grant you e-visa also to make sure everything matches with your passport. You don't want to do any error. Email address I put sample because anyway I'm not gonna apply, but you do correctly. The main purpose of your visit. So basically it's a kind of e-visa also that you are applying. Okay. Whatever the reason you have, you can select. Type of accommodation you are. Wow. Wow. Hotel service, hostel, eco lodge, bread, breakfast. Wow. City of state. Wherever you are staying, provided certain. Of course, if you have booked a hotel, you need. How many nights you'll be sent? Remember the eligibility, okay? So let's just staying there for 8 nights. For air travelers, which airline you use? So Air France, traveling as single, expected date of arrival. Okay, 3 months after you, so I'll select this one. So it's month and year. Number of tickets, how many you want. Of course, if you're traveling alone, you will take one. There are some additional offers too, if you want. Your order is this one, and there's some taxes too. Okay. Ticket holder note. The spelling of your name and nationality must be exactly fine. As I said, like it should match with your documents because this is Gonna issue you a visa too. Nationality, residency, passport number, date of birth. Sorry. Passport expiry date. Be careful with all this, guys. If you have more people, you need to put that by clicking on this plus sign. Once you are ready, click on proceed to payment. But anyway, of course, I'm not gonna do this payment, but you got an idea how to do this. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. The page is still loading. Bye.